So here's how you can retrieve deleted voice recordings on your Android phone. Let's get started. Let's talk about it. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So it depends on which app you are using, of course, but the point is that you might be seeing the voice recordings inside of the built-in app. For example, I have it inside of this Samsung voice recorder on my Samsung device, right? But when I just hold it down on any of them and click on the delete button, it's going to ask me to move it to trash, which, as you can see, it doesn't mean necessarily that it's gone right away, because you can always tap the three dots and have the ability to go to the trash, right? So in here, you can basically restore it or delete it permanently. So if you have deleted a voice recording on your Android phone, it's possible that it's going to be part of the trash section. So it would be a good idea to explore that, and then you would basically have the ability to return it back. Another option would be that if you go to the file browser of your device, you should also see all of the different categories and all of the files stored. So if you go to the audio types, then you should also see the voice recordings in here, and similar to the voice recorder app, in here you can as well delete the individual thing, but as well browse the trash later. So it's not going to be done through the voice recordings, but instead through the files app, but the very same principle of moving things to the trash and then recovering it from the recently deleted folder. But that is all I wanted to show you in this video. In case you have some more questions about this, feel free to use the comment section below. It's possible I'll make more videos about it because I just published so many tutorials. So make sure you don't miss anything, and I'll see you later.